I can't stress to you how important it is to ensure that you're running backups, security checks, and checking the performance and optimization of your sites. Hi, Neely here, and I'm going to show you how to make sure that your site is backed up, secure, and optimized in the Hub by GoDaddy Pro. We're going to start off at the homepage of the Hub. To reach the backups, security checks, performance, and optimization settings, I'm going to click on Sites. I'm going to hover my mouse over the right area of the site that I want to check and then click on the Open Site Dashboard icon. I can also click on the website's preview to access the site dashboard. There are several sections on this page. You can update your plugins, themes, and core WordPress version in the Update section by checking the box next to the items and then clicking the Update button. You can also update everything by clicking the Update All button. You can check your site for optimization opportunities by clicking Check Now. If something needs to be optimized, you can check the box next to it and click on Optimize. You can remove spam comments, clear database overhead, and remove post revisions in this area. The Site Details section lists the URL, client, WordPress version, and tags. If you haven't already added a client to the site, you can click Add Client to add them. In the security section, you'll see if your site is clean. You'll also see the last time that the security was checked. If you want to run a quick check, you can click on the check button. You can also click on the View Details link if you'd like any additional information. You will find additional details on malware, vulnerabilities, web trust, as well as click links to manage site security, manage SSL, site security products, and site security help. The security check section displays your past scans. The Uptime Monitor section lets you know if your site is up. You will also be able to see when the last downtime was for the site. If you'd like to see additional information, clicking on View Details will take you to the Uptime Monitor pages where you'll see additional data regarding your site's uptime. There are additional settings that can be adjusted by clicking on the ellipses and then by clicking on Settings. You can check on how your website is performing in the Performance section. If you haven't run Performance Check yet, you can click on View Details to reach the Performance page. You can then click the Scan Now button. Depending on the products that you've purchased, you may be able to set up automated checks. To set up automated checks, all you have to do is click on the ellipses and then click Settings. Once you have made your selections for the automated check, click Save. The backup section displays if you successfully backed up your site and when the last site backup was. If you haven't backed up your site yet, you could run your first backup by clicking on View Details. Once the backup is complete, you'll be at the Backups page. You will also see when the last backup was run on your site from this page. But there is some additional data and options on this page too. You'll be able to see the backup size, WordPress version, active theme, active plugins, and published posts. If you find yourself in a position where you need to use a backup, you can click the Restore Site button. There are also options to download backup and view the backup. If you want to set up a schedule to back up your site, you can click on the ellipses in the upper right corner and then click Settings. You can schedule the frequency of backups, the start time, as well as adjust additional settings such as what content is backed up and the region of the backup. Knowing how to run backups, security checks, as well as how to check the performance and optimization of your sites in the Hub by GoDaddy Pro should make your job easier and your client sites running smooth. Until next time, I'm Neely.